Preparing the Sertera biopsy device. Compress and release the arming mechanism once to retract the outer cannula. Compress and release the arming mechanism a second time to retract the inner needle. Performing a biopsy with the Sertera biopsy device. There are two options for firing the device: delay mode and automatic mode. To perform the biopsy in delay mode, otherwise known as the pre-fire option, depress the white D button while outside the breast. The inner needle advances independent of the outer cannula. Position the needle at the desired location for biopsy under ultrasound visualization. To acquire the tissue sample, depress the blue A button next. The outer cannula advances to capture and excise the tissue sample. To perform the biopsy in automatic mode, which is the fire and acquire option, fully depress the blue A button when at the desired location for biopsy. The inner needle and outer cannula advance in sequence to acquire the tissue sample. Retrieving the tissue core. Withdraw the needle from the patient. Compress and release the arming mechanism once to retract the outer cannula. The tissue core is then exposed and may be collected for specimen processing.